Hey YouTubers, it's Clara here, and today on this episode of Clara Marie Vlogs, I'm going to be sharing with all of you what I got my mom for Mother's Day gift haul. But before I get into it, I just want to say to all you awesome moms out there, happy Mother's Day. And also, at the end of this video, I'll be showing you how to make this Mother's Day crown. And without further ado, now let's get into the gift haul. As you can see here, I got the Mother's Day card and an art piece that isn't my art, obviously. It's in a frame from Dollar Tree that I got, and my mom lives ducks, and so this is actually from online. I credit the real artist, whoever he or she is. So that's that. A Van Gogh art piece. I love how the frame right here from Dollar Tree matches the picture. This isn't the real art, but credit the real one, whoever he is. Or she. Well, I think it's a he. Anyway, the color on this I really like because it reminds me of Princess Diana's, one of her dresses that she wore to some event back in the day. If she were still living, she'd be my mom's age. Fun fact. And I also got her this cute little colorful canvas that I got, artwork that I got from my local thrift store. This Muggums holiday give 'em and bake 'em recipes in a mug. If she wants to give during the holidays, besides just cookies and stuff and left though. This is a phone stand I got for my mom. It's got pineapples on it. She loves pineapples, and she could use a phone stand for sure, so she doesn't keep dropping her phone when she FaceTimes or whatever. So there's that from Dollar Tree. A spoon rest from Dollar Tree. She keeps leaving her cooking spoons on places that stain easily and get caked on, so best to have one of these around. Her favorite wine, Beringer White Zinfandel. It looks like rosé and it even tastes like rosé, so it's basically the same, about the same. Gotta have that. Found that at my local liquor store, one of them. Roll On Aroma Guru Lavender, Essential Oil Aromatherapy. You can also hear the uses on the back. There's that. Nail polish. It's like a purplish color. I want to say I think it says Late Night Lilac. I don't know if you guys can see that. Best Mom Ever mug. Gotta have that. This is just the basket in a basket. And in this cookie tin, there's no cookies, but instead I put her favorite candies in there. Her all-time favorite, the Netherlands Stroop waffles. They're really good and pretty cheap at Dollar Tree, but you can also find them at TJ Maxx. And you have the Mom's the Sweetest M&M's, plain M&M's to be exact. I love Beauty Pieces Mom, Reese's Pieces. And these labels I did not make myself. I credit the real owners that I found on Pinterest. So that's that. And the cherry blossoms, faux cherry blossoms I got from my local TJ Maxx. And these faux flower arrangement I did to put on the basket. And also I got her some jewelry, the Paparazzi brand, kind of covered up the logo, that is, from my local flea market. Coupons for Mom. Obviously, there's the traditional breakfast in bed. Definitely gotta have that one. So that is the gifts portion of the video. And now for the DIY crown. I just bought these kid crowns in the party section of my local Dollar Tree. I added and extended them a little bit in the back just so they'd fit my mom's head properly. And I took this diamond wrap right here, put it in two sections, in rows of 2 on the bottom. Give it a little zhuzh, or whatever you want to call it. And then these gems, sticky gems, from my local Dollar Tree. I put the big ones right here on top of the little, whatever you call them, the little tips, yeah, I'll just call them tips. But anyway, there's that, and it would not be complete without a stash I got from my local Walmart that says World's Best Mom. So that includes both the gift haul and the DIY portion of the video. Hey YouTubers, now we are in the breakfast part of Mother's Day. As you can see, I've made her coffee, some homemade Liege waffles that I got from a recipe on YouTube. I will be sure to link that in the description box down below. I've put it with some Nutella and strawberries on top, some crisp bacon, and scrambled eggs. So that's for this portion. See you at the lunch portion. And now we are in the lunch portion. For my lunch for my mom and my brother, we have cucumber sandwiches with some cream cheese, dill weed fresh, some garlic salt, and of course the cucumbers, and I cut the crust off, as you can tell. And our next part is apple wedges, and to go with that, peanut butter. And this right here is tea I just steeped. Iced tea, watermelon mint, really good. And it's going to be going in this pitcher to go for our picnic out.